Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to move your crypto from your SafeMoon wallet to your Trust wallet, step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to open up SafeMoon. You give the wallet some time to load up. You select your currency, your language. We're going to be registering, and we're going to register an account. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my personal account. Yes, this account. Once that's done, it loads up, and they're going to send a verification code to your email. So now we're going to head over to the Gmail section, and in no time we reload, and here we go. We're going to be copying the verification code. Copy, I guess. Okay, that's the wrong way to copy it. MNCOIZKD. MNCOIZKD. Okay, they're going to be asking you some questions like, what was the first exam you failed? City of your name of your first apartment, your oldest sibling, name of your favorite pets. Okay, what was the first exam you failed? I haven't failed any exams, so I'm going to be using something else. Yes. So, city name of your first apartment, Calabar, and we proceed and we confirm. I would advise you screenshot, like you actually take some screenshots and things like that. Okay guys, and we're welcome to the SafeMoon wallet. Here we can do a lot of transactions. It just reminds me of Trust wallet. Okay guys, welcome to the SafeMoon wallet. This is just a brief video about how to use it. There are still a lot of things we can do on this wallet, things we can set, networks we can connect to, different things. But basically what we're going to be doing now is sending our SafeMoon from this wallet, that's the SafeMoon wallet, to our Trust wallet application by simply going to Trust wallet, or rather opening up Trust wallet. Once that's done, don't forget, each time you're opening up Trust wallet, you're going to have to log in with your passcode and things like that. Okay, there's still a transfer going on. Okay, from here we're going to be sending our currency, that is the SafeMoon version 2. SafeMoon version 2, we're going to be receiving it. We copy our address, and like so, we switch back to SafeMoon wallet, click on receive, or rather send. We paste the wallet address. We're going to be sending about 100 or 1,000. We're going to be sending, yes, 10,000 SafeMoon, and you click on send. Okay, currently there's nothing on our SafeMoon, but that's simply how you do it, guys. You just simply click on send and you receive your crypto immediately. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in for today's video. If you have any questions concerning how to create the SafeMoon wallet and how to send crypto from your SafeMoon wallet to your Trust wallet, comment down below and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.